Navigating the FairBuild AI software to review contracts is simple. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to optimize your user experience. To get started, go to the FairBuild AI site at app.fairbuild.ai and set up your user account. Once you have verified your login information, you're ready to review your first contract. To add a contract, click Upload Document on any page of the app. Or, click on the Browse button to upload a file. Drag and drop or choose the contract from your files. Whenever possible, use a clean PDF or Word document without edits or watermarks. Photos or scans may not provide the best user experience. After uploading the document, you must select either yes or no based on whether this contract qualifies as a master agreement. Then enter the name of the counterparty and click Start Analysis. Depending on the size of the contract, this process will take 3 to 10 minutes. Take a quick break and check back in a few. Once FairBuild's AI has completed the analysis, you'll see you're ready to start reviewing under the name of your contract. Click on View Doc. Your contract will now be visible. Your contract will be highlighted alongside text boxes referred to as FairBuild objection cards. Each reference card contains the objection identified by FairBuild's AI, accompanied by an explanation of the risk and recommendations for improving contract language. Click on the highlighted text. One or more of the objection cards on the right side will shift forward to provide FairBuild's AI analysis for your consideration. You can also click on the objection card to identify the corresponding highlighted contract text. There may be several different objections and suggestions that relate to specific text. These are illustrated with darker highlights. So be sure to read through every FairBuild card. Review the comment and decide if you wish to apply or skip the suggestion. If applied, a green outline will be added around the suggestion box. If skipped, deleted, a red outline will appear and the comment will not be included in your downloaded document. If you wish to edit the suggestion, press the Edit symbol. Click Edit to modify the suggested improvement section and enter your terms and conditions. The FairBuild card Edit symbol will change to a Save symbol and the suggested improvement section will be boldly outlined, signifying you are in edit mode. When you have completed your changes, press the Save symbol. Click the green check mark to apply the edited suggested improvement. A green border will appear signaling that you can now move on through the rest of the document. Note: green boxes remain editable. You can come back and make changes. Simply press the Edit symbol and follow previous steps. In order to work with the FairBuild objections outside the app, you can turn the FairBuild AI analysis into a PDF by clicking the Download button. Find your annotated PDF in your downloads. PDF viewers differ, but generally, clicking on the highlighted area or annotation will display the FairBuild objections. You can further edit the PDF to use as a discussion document in your negotiations. Click the quill to initiate steps to download your redlined document. Click the Redline button after reading the details. Then, click OK on the successful submission pop-up and a link to download your redlined document will be emailed to you shortly. Only the suggestions you applied in the app, green boxes, will be included in the redline document. Review your document, apply any additional changes, and begin your negotiations with confidence. Armed with this knowledge, you decide which issues or changes you bring to the bargaining table. You may decide that you are willing to take a risk on some less than favorable provisions, and that's okay. The important thing is that you have made an informed decision with the help of FairBuild AI. If you have any questions, contact the FairBuild team at info@fairbuild.ai.